like everything about you.
So one of the questions that I literally get asked most frequently is, should I water lock my Apple Watch whenever I go to the pool, whenever I go to the shower? Should I water lock my Apple Watch? A lot of people are worried when they go to the pool and they don't lock their Apple Watch in like the water eject mode. So in this video, I'm going to answer that question. Should you water eject the Apple Watch? Now, I'm not going to give you the answer. I'm going to talk about it, of course. Now, I thought it would be very appropriate to bring Dad to the channel. If you guys don't know who Dad is, he's got a great channel. It's a very small channel because he just started out. But I totally encourage you to hit the subscribe button right here in his channel. It's amazing. He does a lot of Apple Watch content. So anyways, first of all, let's roll the intro. And second of all, let's go ahead and FaceTime Dad. So without further ado, let's get started.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
Alright guys, so we have Dad right here and he's going to basically answer the question. Dad, how are you doing? And if you want to go ahead and give yourself a quick shout out and what you do on YouTube and everything. Go ahead.
Alright, good. First I just want to say thank you so much for including me in your video. And my channel is about it started with stuff, but now it's mainly about Apple. So Apple Watch, all the Apple products, because that's the product that I love and the ecosystem that I love to use. So that's what my channel is about.
Cool. And he has really good Apple Watch content. So if you guys enjoy Apple Watch content, make sure to hit the subscribe button right here, which is of course linked down below. Anyways, water ejecting mode. Should you do it? Should you not? What is it? What is everything about?
Well, I think that if a lot of people use it because they're afraid that their watch will get water damage if they don't use it. But if that's your main concern, I would say just don't worry about it because it doesn't do anything to protect your watch from water damage.
So what does it exactly do? That's the question.
So it only locks the screen. So that's the only thing. And if that thing bothers you, like when you're in the shower, when you play in the pool in the water part, if that causes your screen to go crazy, if that's the reason, then you should lock your screen, do the water lock. Otherwise, there's not much point. Alright,
so it's basically, if you think that whenever you're getting a shower and it's annoying you because the Apple Watch keeps waking up and stuff, that's the only reason to really lock your screen. And whenever you're doing like a pool workout, the actual screen locks either way. So you shouldn't really worry about anything. Nothing will get damaged if you're... Do you wear your Apple Watch in the shower?
Yes, sometimes,
yeah.
Yes.
And in the pool too?
Yeah. In the pool too, yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, me too.
And one thing I found out that if the watch, if the sound goes off in the water, the watch just goes straight to silent mode anyway. So
exactly. So we shouldn't really worry about it.
It's a good feature.
All right, well, Dad, thank you very much for being in the channel.
Thank you so much again.
All right, so there you have it. Dad answered your question. No, you do not have to lock your Apple Watch in order to go to the pool. It just locks your display. So hopefully I answered your question. Everybody, once again, go subscribe to this guy because I literally love his channel. He's doing some very amazing content. Now, a question that a lot of you guys might be asking is, Nikki, do you water lock whenever you go to the pool or in the shower? Yes, and why I do that is because of this. Whenever you water lock it, you get this sound whenever you eject it. And that will eject all the water that's inside of the microphone. Whenever you don't do that, as he said, there's always like a lot of distortion on the audio afterwards. So that's why I do it. I like ejecting all the water that's inside of the microphone. I know you can do it afterwards. Afterwards, you get a shower and you can just eject the water like that. But I just found it useful, just doing it at the beginning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. What do you guys do? Do you guys water lock your Apple Watch? Or do you just don't really care? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here if you like Apple Watch content. And if you like Apple Watch content, make sure to subscribe to Dad because once again, he's been killing it recently. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.